Today I'm in my backyard and we're going on a trip this weekend to Lake George. I'm going to install a fishing rod holder in our Encore. The pass-through storage bins aren't true pass-through the entire way because they go up and over the frame like this. When I put the fishing rods in there, fit long ways, but they're all stacked on top of each other. So what I'm going to try to do is hang this rod holder from the top of the bin so that I can put the fishing rods in there and they can hang from the top. Put them in, they'll be a little bit more secure and won't be bouncing around on top of each other. It'll eventually look like something like this. So that'll go on there like that, and then this thing will be upside down and it'll kind of clip in here so they'll hang. But that's the plan anyway, so let's see if I can do it. Alright, so here's the bin in question. As you can see, it's got tons of storage down here, but then when you get up top, it kind of gets more narrow. So what I want to do is stick this thing up top here, and then the other one down the other end, and hang the fishing rods from the top. I want these clips here facing that way. There it is. There it is, it's in. Didn't take me very long to do. I got 5 rods in there right now. Still room. Let's put I have an extension ladder that I put up there, a telescoping ladder. And my solo stove goes in here and the rest of the fishing gear. So we'll see if they don't fall out on our first trip. Here's the bin.